guys, my name's Carmen Amelia, welcome back to my channel. Now what do you do when your client wants a really high ponytail but they've got short hair or like medium length hair and they just can't get the ponytail that they desire? Now I tend to use hair extensions. So today I'm going to show you how I add hair extensions into a client's hair to make it longer to create a high ponytail. So today I'm going to be using Milk and Blush hair extensions. I work with lots of different hair extensions. These are the ones that I'm going to be using today. They're exactly the same colour as my client's hair or close enough. So you want to make sure that you've obviously selected colour match, the right colour for your client. So I'm going to literally just show you now how you can quite easily add these into the hair to create a high ponytail to make it longer. There is no right or wrong way to do this, guys. Everyone does things differently, but I'm just going to show you how I do it. I've completely taught myself how to do this. I'm sure there's lots of other people that do it in different ways, but this is the way that I like to do it myself. Now, whether I'm doing a ponytail with hair extensions or just a regular high ponytail for a client that has longer hair already, I always like to start off by sectioning the front bit first. So I'll show you how I do that. So I'm going to use my pintail comb today. So I've just sectioned literally just in front of the ear. Depending on how thick your client's hair is, you might need to do more sections if you want to get it really sleek, but I'm just going to do 2 today. Now obviously this mannequin head that I'm using already has long hair, but it's still going to be the same method with shorter hair. I'm just going to clip all of this out of the way for now. And then my lower section, I personally like to tie away. So I'm going to take my front section now and I'm going to use that to create a section, like a mid section here. Now you want to make sure that you've got enough hair left at the front because we're going to be adding the hair extensions throughout this hair. The last thing you want is a hair extension piece, you know, showing through. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to tease the hair just a little bit just to make sure that when I am tying up the hair extensions don't slide. So I'm going to tease it slightly. Normally I would use hairspray on my client's hair as well on the roots just to make sure that it really holds. But obviously this is not a real client, so I'm just going to literally tease it a little bit. So you want to make sure that you're using the shorter width hair extensions. You don't want to use the really long ones for this. You want to make sure that you're using a short one like this, okay? So this one just has 2 clips on it, as you can see. So I'm now going to start off by clipping these in to my client's hair at the front, all the way at the front, okay? So usually we tend to avoid this front area for hair extensions because we don't want them to show through, but because we're going to be tying up the hair and this is all going to be covered, we put them right at the root, at the front on the crown, okay? So I've popped my first hair extension piece in and I'm just going to literally add that to the front, just clip it in there, clip it out of the way, okay? So now I'm going to move on to my second section because I want it to be quite thick, so I'm going to put a few different pieces in. Just created another section there and I'm just literally going to pop in another one of my hair extension pieces with 2 clips again because we want it to be a short one like I said before. So I'm going to clip that in. Okay. So as you can see, pull the hair back like this, you can see no hair extensions at the front at all, okay? pop another one in, just a little bit closer to the front. And just check, just make sure once again that you can't see the hair extensions come through. And as you can see no hair extensions at all coming through. Okay, so that just adds length. And as you can see, even with longer hair, it just really bulks up the ponytail and just makes it a lot more thicker. So I definitely recommend this, even if your client does have longer hair, just to really thicken that ponytail and make it really substantial. So I'm now going to start brushing the ponytail up and creating my hairstyle, which is a sleek pony. You want to use some products. I tend to use Colour Wow Pop and Lock. I'm going to put a tiny bit of this in, just because obviously it is a doll head, so I don't really want to put too much product, but I'll put a tiny bit in just to demonstrate how I use this product, okay? Just really just kind of sleeks the hair. Using my detangling brush from Brushworks today, just to really get a nice sleek finish. And then I'll go over it with a bristle brush. I'm going to be using a Denman bristle brush today. So you really want to take your time with this, guys. There's no rush. You want to make sure you get it as sleek as you possibly can. Sometimes it takes a while to get it how you want it to be. So just take your time, there's no rush. I know sometimes when you're with clients you kind of panic and you want to hurry up, but guaranteed they'll be way more grateful for you giving them a perfect hairstyle than rushing and getting it done quickly. Okay, so you also want to be quite gentle because the hair extensions can tend to slide a little bit, so you want to make sure that you're being gentle with this, okay? Now I'm going to do this just above, I'm going to tie this just above this bone. It goes in line with the hairline, so it goes directly up, just past the front of the ear. You can use a bungee hairband, you can use it at hair, just make sure it's a strong enough hairband that's really going to hold that hair in place. Right, so I've done my first section. So back to this back section that you've got. Now obviously this is, if we're thinking about the client having shorter hair, this bit's still going to be shorter, but you just want to brush this up and just join it in to the hair that you've added the extensions to, okay? You also want to use like a spray or something just to help to control the hair. I tend to use Plee. Plee is one of my favourite products of all time. So I tend to use Plee just because it kind of dampens down the hair a little bit. You can also use some hairspray. So I'm just gonna brush that up and you can just see how that product just instantly helps to control those flyaway hairs, okay? So I've got my hairband ready and I'm just going to start to join these two together now, okay? And you can see what happens. That section just starts to close and cover up as you brush up, okay? So once you've got it all nice and tidy, now's the time you're just gonna tie it all together in one big ponytail. And there are several ways that you can do this. As I said at the start, this is just one of the ways that I like to use, okay? You want to make sure it's quite tight. Check with your client and ask them, you know, is this too tight? Is it hurting? Always check with your client. And then just like that, you have one high ponytail. Use my shine spray from Colour Wow, and this is really good just to give it an extra shine. I also find it does have a bit of staying power with it, so I do use it with my toothbrush, which I'm going to use now. To show you, I'm just literally going to go through and just smoothen all of the hair all the way around, just to make sure it's got a really nice finish to it. See how nice that finish is, and you can even see the shine really coming through from the Colour Wow product. Okay, so at this point you can cover the ponytail, or you can use any hairband or accessory you want to go in with. Today I'm going to be using a scrunchie. Sometimes I do use the hair, just split a little bit off like this, and you can literally just wrap it around, and it gives you that kind of a finish. But today I'm going to go in with a scrunchie. I want something summery because it's summer now, so I'm going to go in with a yellow scrunchie. These are really cute. I got these from eBay, really cheap, for a whole packet of lots of different colours. So I'm going to use one of these today. I'm going to tease this pony so that it's really nice and big, just to give it a really nice finish. I'll be using my Hair Shark comb. I don't know if you guys have seen these before. Absolutely amazing, guys. If you want a carefree, easy teasing session, then definitely go and get yourself a Hair Shark comb. These are incredible, amazing. You can use one of these, or you can just use a regular comb. So I'm going to use the teasing side, which is this side, and then this side is for brushing out the hair. So I'm just going to start with a small section, and I'm just literally going to start teasing the hair down using this brush. And you can see how much teasing that's done, and literally I've not put in any effort at all with that. So you want to do that, and you want to get don't be scared to tease, guys. You want to get as big as you can, because afterwards you can always brush it out. So you could even do like a little bun with this as well. Might do that after. Okay, so once you've teased all of that, you're going to use your brush just to kind of smooth over the teasing a little bit so it's not so messy. And there you have it, your snatched high pony. Hi guys, so we're at the end of the video. Thank you for watching. I hope you liked this, and if you did, like and subscribe for more videos just like this.